In this eLearning, we're going to explore the customer communications module. We have observed several times users trying to use the notes, which is a simple notepad, yet the notes does not carry any user identification nor timestamp when communications or registries is entered into the customer account. For that purpose, we have entered the communications. When we click on the communications, it opens that in a new tab. And as soon as you have the communication here, you're going to have the history of communications registered for the customer, a viewer for you to read when you highlight one of the communications, and a form down here where you can enter new communications. As soon as I hit save, that entry stays there. And as you can see, there's a short description. When I click on the entry here, I can see the note for that description. But the advantage on this module here is because it registers, it puts a timestamp and the user that is currently logged in. So automatically creates a history for the event. And again, I can save in a history with a timestamp. So today you've learned how to use communication for histories and log timestamp on a user basis for the customer module in WISE option. Thanks for watching.